Hello everyone, welcome to Officers Prep. From this class, we will be starting a series of 10 classes wherein we will be covering important questions from the topic blood relations. Do subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Here, we will be providing all the important classes for all your subjects. Those will be important for your SSC examination 2026. Starting with the questions of blood relation, this is going to be the very first question. So this is pointing towards based question. Pointing to a photograph, Ravi said, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. How will be the girl in the photograph related to Ravi? Daughter, sister, niece, cousin. She is the daughter, right? So pointing towards a photograph, Ravi said. So Ravi is your speaker. She is the daughter of my. My here refers to Ravi because Ravi is the speaker, right? So Ravi's grandfather's only son. This is Ravi, Ravi's father, and Ravi's grandfather. So Ravi's grandfather's only son will be the father of Ravi. And pointing towards the photograph, the girl that is in the photograph, she is the daughter. This will be the girl, right? Question to you was, how is the girl in the photograph related to Ravi? So obviously, the answer will be option B, that is sister, right? Second question, moving forward. A is B's sister. C. Now this is small paragraph based question. A is B's sister. C is B's mother. So sign conventions totally depends on you. You can use any of the sign convention. A is B's sister. So A and B will be siblings, real brother and sister. A is B's sister. So the gender of A will be female. C is B's mother. So C will be female. C will be mother of both A and B. D is C's father. So this will be D male, C's father. E is D's mother. This will be E, D's mother. Then how is A? A is B's sister. C is B's mother. D is C's father. E is D's mother. How is A related to D? So A will be granddaughter. Answer to this question will be D. Right? Next. Introducing a man, a woman said his wife. Right? His wife matlab speaking of this man. This woman is the speaker referring to this man. That his wife is the only daughter of my father. His wife matlab this man, this man's wife. Putting in bracket, just a sign convention meaning couple. So his wife is the only daughter of my father. Only daughter of my father. Only daughter of my father means the person itself. That means this is the woman who is the speaker. Then how is woman related to man? Option C, it will be wife. So the woman is talking about herself only. Okay. So answer will be option C, that is wife. Next. Coded questions. P percentage Q means P is daughter of Q. Plus means father. Cross means brother. Then you have to decode this expression. So P divided by Q means P is daughter of Q. So this will be P female. P is daughter of Q. Then Q plus R. Plus means father. So Q will be father of R. Q will be male. Q is father of R. Then R cross T. Cross means brother. So R is brother. R will be male. R is brother of T. P, R, T are siblings, right? How is P related to T? So P will be sister. Gender of P is known. So how is P related to T? P will be sister of T. If the question would have been how is T related to P, the answer would have been C and D. Or you can say sibling, max, because the gender of T is not known. The person whose relation is asked, its gender should be known. Answer will be option A, that is cis. एक second, एक second. How is P related to T? PQ, 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 PQ. P divided means P is daughter of Q. Q plus R means Q is father of R. R cross T. R is अच्छा हाँ R is brother of T. सही तो है. Question is how is P related to T? P will be sister. Niece नहीं. Niece is not right. P is daughter of Q. Q is father of R. R is brother of P. Then how is P related to T? Yes. यहाँ पे the answer is given wrong. Answer will be option A only. P is sister. Ignore this solution. Next. A man said to a lady, a man said to a lady, your mother's husband sister is my aunt. Your. Your here refers to lady. Lady के लिए बोल रहा है. This man is referring to this lady that your. So this lady. Your mother's husband. Lady's mom husband. That means lady's father. So your mother's husband's sister. This sister will be aunt of lady. Is my aunt. How is lady related to man? Lady related to man. Your mother's. Acha. This is not lady. This is man. Right. Referring to a man said to lady. Right. A man said to lady. This is lady only. Is this sister is my aunt. So this will be the man. So how is the lady related to man? Sister. Answer will be option B. That is sister. Okay. Next. Small paragraph based question. A and B are married couple. A and B are married couple, putting them in a bracket just to show the couple. This is just a sign convention. D is the only son of C who is brother of A. So this will be C male, C is brother of A. And D is the only son of C. This will be D male. E is sister of D. This will be E female. B is daughter-in-law of F whose husband has died. B is daughter-in-law of F. B female, A male. B is daughter-in-law of F whose husband, that means F is female. How is E related to F? So E will be granddaughter. Answer will be option B, that is granddaughter. Next. P is brother of Q. P will be male. P is brother of Q. R is sister of Q. R female. S male, father of P. So S will be father of Q and R also. T is wife of S. How is R related to T? R will be daughter. Option B. Easy. Next. Coded questions. A at the rate B, A hash B, A dollar B. A daughter. ठीक है. M at the rate N. At the rate means mother. So M will be mother of N. M female. M will be mother of N. N hash O. Hash is father. N is father of O. N will be male. Father of O. O dollar P. Dollar means husband. O is husband of P. O will be male. P will be female. Then P percentage Q. Percentage is daughter. So P is daughter of Q. P will be daughter of Q. Then how is M related to P? M will be not mother-in-law, grandmother. Option B. एक second. How is M related to P? Correct answer should be grandmother-in-law. Right? इसको थोड़ा change कर लेते हैं because obviously mother-in-law will not be the answer. Grandmother-in-law. Let me check the diagram also once. M at the rate M is mother of N. N hash is N is father of O. O dollar. O dollar means O is husband of P and P percentage Q is P is daughter of Q. ठीक है. How is M related to P? See, M son is N son is O, N की daughter in law is P, और N is father in law, N की mom है, so that is grandmother in law. थोड़ा सही कर लेंगे, grandmother in law will be the answer. Next, D is father of B, D will be male. D is father of B. A is male, son of B. C is sister of A. E is son of C, male, son of C. G is grandfather of E. This will be G, male, grandfather of E. How is G related to A? G will be father of A. G will be father. Right. Yes, correct answer is A again. Again, some answers are wrong, but yeah, this is the right answer. G will be father of A, not great grandfather, grandfather. A woman introduces a man as the son of brother of her mother. Her hair refers to the woman, her mother. First, let's draw her mother. This is woman, mom. So that man is son of brother of her mother. This will be having a brother. And इनका son है that man. These are couple cousins. How is man related to woman? Cousin. Answer will be option C. All right. So we have started actually this series. So in every class, we will be discussing 10 questions. So we will be bringing up 9 more classes. We will be covering this topic in detail. And after 10 classes, we will be bringing some more different topic from the reasoning section. And slowly, gradually, we will be starting and covering quant section also. So that you get each and every subject and you can practice each and every subject on this very platform. So don't if you have not subscribed it yet, do subscribe to the channel Officers Prep and see you all in the next class. Goodbye.